Okay, today I'm gonna be replacing the RAM in a 2010 MacBook Pro. Right now it has 4 gigabytes of RAM. I'm gonna upgrade it to 8 gigabytes. And as you can see it on the screen, it's 4 gigabytes of RAM. I'm gonna shut it down. And take out the screws. And then the one I'm having now, I'm missing 2 screws. And if you're not used to the screws, different screw sizes in here, you can like put them in order like this as you take them out. As you see, there are 2 size screws. So here's the RAM right here. You pull. At the same time, these 2 little levers on the side, and it pops up. And then you just slide it out. One, then it's another one at the bottom. Same thing, pops up. And slide it out. And this is my new RAM I'm putting in. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but it does say 4 gigabytes on the RAM. So that's a total 8 for each. And before putting the screws back in, I'm going to turn it on. And this might take a while because I don't think I replaced the hard drive in here. I can't remember. I had to look back in there and see. It might still have the old mechanical hard drive in there. I didn't put an SSD in this one, I don't think. And it's coming on now, so let's check and see what we have. Maybe I can see the top. I'm just testing one of the apps. Okay. It's getting there. It's cutting on. I mean, it's loading. So I'll close this. Yep, and there it is. 8 gigabytes of RAM with Art is installed. Matter of fact, this is a MacBook Pro 15-inch. And it's a dual core i5. And I have to check on the hard drive. Let's see, where did I put it? Nope, they still have the old mechanical hard drive in it. So I need to change that, put an SSD and see how fast that would go. So I'm gonna put the top back on. Put the screws back in. And I try to work in a from corner to corner, like an X, just to make sure everything's lined up and get the screws in there. Oh, that's right. The long screw is going that one. So that. We have one more screw. And that is the RAM installation on a MacBook Pro.